Hello friends, welcome to our new video lecture in which you will learn how to create Lyrics Finder Android app using JSON API. So this is going to be a series of lectures, and this is the first part of our series of lectures in which you will learn how to create an Android app. We are going to use a JSON API for fetching the data, and then our Android app will show you the lyrics of particular song. So I have a simple demo here. So here you can see, so I'm basically streaming my phone's screen here. So and in this app, what you can do, you can enter name of any artist here. Let's say Maroon 5. Also you can enter any particular song title. So let's say we want to enter Sugar, and then hit find lyrics, and you can see straight from JSON API it is fetching the lyrics. Let's try some other artist here, Michael Jackson, and title of song, let's say Smooth Criminal. So button is basically placed here. So we will fix the position of this button. So I will click this button, find lyrics, and now you can see it is lyrics of Smooth Criminal. So how you can also develop an application like this? It involves taking input from user, and it involves fetching data from JSON API, and after fetching that data, converting it to text and then showing it on screen. And you can see the screen is scrollable. So you will learn the UI part of it, how to design something like this, although it is not very professional looking app, but again, because we are just starting things up, so you will learn how to design something like this, and you will also learn how to take user input and do this. To create an Android application, there are many things. You can use many type of softwares or IDEs. The most popular choice is Android Studio, and for Android Studio you have to learn a particular programming language like Java or Kotlin. So in this tutorial I am going to demonstrate you use of a very different type of tool, and it is also very famous tool for developing Android applications. This is called MIT App Inventor. So using MIT App Inventor, you can see you can create applications. So MIT App Inventor is a web application integrated development environment. So it is a web-based IDE, you can say, and it is provided by Google and now maintained by MIT. So what you can do is you can straight go to this website, and because it is maintained by Google, you can always simply click on create app, and then you can enter your Gmail ID here, or you can create an account here on MIT App Inventor. So when you will click on create, it will simply ask you about your email and password of your Gmail. I have already done that, so I am now logged into my MIT App Inventor dashboard, and here you can see this designer block here. So this particular App Inventor uses this type of coding. This is a designer block based coding, and in this block based coding, just like any other programming language, you can create variables, you can create procedures, you can apply any type of logical operators like AND operator, OR operator. You can also create variables with different data types. You can work with JSON objects and many other things. Also, the API that we are going to use is this particular API, which is called lyrics.obh. So the URL is lyricsobh.docs.apiary.io. I will again provide link of this particular URL or link of this particular website in description. And here you can see the documentation. You can go to search you can see a URL here. So when you will send a GET request to this URL, or basically when you will write name of artist here, let's say Maroon 5, and title of song, let's say Sugar, so it is going to return you lyrics. It is a very simple JSON example. It is very simple example of JSON API. If you will see the raw data, so you can see in this JSON output, there's only one key and one value. So you can always start with something simple like this, and then you can build more complicated JSON based projects. There are many APIs nowadays that return answer or return data in form of JSON. I'm using Mozilla Firefox, and in Mozilla Firefox it shows you this type of URL also, so where you can see the key and value separately. Now let's get started with MIT App Inventor. I have many projects here, and one important thing about MIT App Inventor is the applications that are created by MIT App Inventor. These applications can be uploaded on Google Play also. So if you will go to Google Play and search for Slidescope, let's say, so not all but many applications that we have created that are uploaded by Slidescope are on Google Play. You can download these applications from there. And so this is very amazing thing about MIT App Inventor, that the applications that you create from MIT App Inventor, the apps that you create, Android apps that you create from here, can be published to Google Play also. So in later part of video series, I will also demonstrate how you can upload applications here. So we have developed a school management ERP, human resource management ERP, online examination mock test applications, and various things. If you want to learn digital marketing in Hindi, you can go there, transport management. So we have developed various type of applications here. So we are doing our best to maintain and publish them. Now the thing is, if you have to create a new project on MIT App Inventor, you just have to go to projects and click on start a new project. When you will start a new project, you can give it any name. So let's say the name of project is lyrics. Let's say the name of project is search lyrics. So we don't want to use a space between our project name, so either you can use underscore or you can write it like this. Again, you can name your project anything and click OK. Now you can see this search lyrics project is now loaded, and now I will explain some basic things about the this palette here and the properties. I will do my best to explain you about different type of components that you can find here. If you are already familiar with the MIT App Inventor palette and interface and various elements, so you can skip this part, or you can watch it again and revise it. So this is our screen, and the name of our screen is screen 1. This is the first screen. This is something that users see when they will open our app. So most of the times we place some logo or some image or some welcome screen, but now in this case we will simply create the main part, which is we will create 2 text boxes here and a button, so that user can press those text boxes and then fetch the data. So this is the first part of our video series. So this first part will demonstrate you the design part, the UI part, and in the second part I will explain you about this block based coding. I will create many type of applications. So if you will subscribe to my channel, you will get notifications about different applications that we are going to build using MIT App Inventor. And if you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in the comment section, or you can go to our website also, slidescope.com, and you can post your inquiries there also. Now the thing is, on this properties side, you can see this is about screen. I will explain you one by one what this is. So this about screen is basically something where you can provide some information about your this screen, so that you, when you will come back later, you can understand what particular thing you are doing here. I am going to leave it. This is accent color. Again, we are going to leave it. I will leave it to the default value. This is align horizontal, left, center, right. You can align the screen vertically, top, center, or bottom. Background color, you can change it to any particular color if you want. If you want pink, your background color will be changed to pink. I'm again going to keep it default. You can also set some background image. You can upload the image from your computer. And this is blocks toolkit. So this blocks toolkit is basically something that you can see here, these elements that you can see. Let's do one thing. Let's simply drag a label onto your screen, and then I will go to screen 1 again. So you can switch between various components from this particular option here. And when you are on screen 1, you can see blocks toolkit is all. Let's say you want to match only your project. Keep an eye on this palette here. So let's say you want to match your match project. So now you can see, you can now only see this particular thing, which is something that you are using in your project. So it basically filters all those unused components, and it only gives you those components which you are using. So we are going to change it to all, and so that we can see everything, because we have just started developing our project. And right now I will show you only those part which you have to do. The thing is whether you want to keep the title of your screen visible or not. So the app that you were seeing earlier, on which lyrics finder was written, so you can see here the title here. So whether you want to keep this title visible or not. So I'm going to keep a title visible. You can give any name. So let's say search lyrics. This is going to be the title here. And you can switch between themes. Currently your theme is classic, and you can switch your theme to device default. So by device default it will come to something like this, which I am using in my application right now. And you can use the black title. So now your title color will be black, and you can use dark theme here. So again, we are not seeing the background here, but in these themes the background will be dark. So I will use device default here, and you can see we have only dragged our text box label here. So a label is something that is used to display some text on the screen. So this is label, and this label is going to be our text. The lyrics that you are seeing here, let me again put this. So the text that you are seeing here is the label. So text is used to display some output or display some text on the screen. The label is used to do that, and currently it is written text for label 1. So we will change this text to blank. Now nothing will be displayed here, and we are going to rename this label as, so you can click on this label and you can rename it, and we are going to rename it as LBL lyrics. So LBL is for label and lyrics. You can rename it to anything that you can easily understand. I am going to name it as LBL lyrics, so that I can remember this label is going to output the lyrics. Now again, this is height and width of lyrics. So suppose you want to keep your lyrics in only 200 pixels or only 100 pixels or something like this. So you can mention something here that the width and height of your lyrics will be inside these much pixels. But if you will go with fill parent, so it will take the space automatically. The best thing is to keep it automatic, so that because you don't know how much text you are going to get in the lyrics. So your height you can put it as automatic, and in width you can put fill parent, so that your everything will be inside this boundary here. Now the next thing is, on your screen you can do some other things. You can make your screen scrollable so that you can scroll the screen with touch. And the sizing, I'm going to put it as responsive, so it will be responsive as per the width of our screen, width of the device screen. Next thing is I'm going to place another label here, and this label will not be visible to users. So in the visible part here of this label, in the visible property, you can make it unchecked, and I will rename it to LBL JSON. So this particular label will store the JSON data. So this data is in a key and value format. It's in this format. So this label will store the JSON data. Again, the purpose of this label will be explained to you in the later part. And since it is not going to be visible, so we don't have to style anything here. Now the next thing is we have to take two user inputs. As you can see here, we have to take two user inputs. In first user input, we will ask our app users to enter the name of song, and in the first input you can ask for the artist name, and in the second input you can ask for the song title. So what we are going to do here, we will simply drag a text box from here. So here you can see in the UI part or the user interface part, you can see a text box here. So you can drag this text box, and you can again style this text box also. Enabled is true, whether you want the font on this text box to be bold or italic. What is the font size? Suppose you want to make this text box look a bit bigger, so you can do that also. And the next thing is font typeface is default. First I will put some text here. So let's say enter artist name. So remember, I am writing it in the text part, and as I will click anywhere on my browser screen, so you can see enter artist name is now written here. And so this font typeface you can change to sans serif. You can see the changes here, monospace. So here you can enter it as you want it to appear. So let's make it as monospace. And the next thing is, the name of this text box is textbox1. So I will give it a name of txt. So I will understand this is text box txt artist, because this text box is going to store the name of artist here. So this is txt artist. And also in the width part, either you can select fill parent, so it will obtain full width, or you can specify a particular pixel or percent here. So let's say I want it in 80% of the part, so you can see it's 80%. Is it going to be multi-line? Is it going to be numbers only? So you can put these validations also. Is this text box going to read only? If it's read only, user cannot put anything here. And one more important thing is, we don't want to put text here, because here you can see I will load this application again. So here in this application you can see in the artist name I am using a hint, and in the song title I am using text. So in song title the user has to delete this song title, then the user can enter the name of song. And in the artist name, because we are using a hint, so you can write anything over here. So this is something that you have to understand. So we will use hints here instead of using text. We will use hint here unless you want to enter some text, some working text here. So you can enter text. So I will cut this data, and you will find hint here. So in the hint part you will write enter artist name. So you will not be able to see it here, but when you will download your APK file, you will be able to see that. The next thing is we have to drag a text box again. The height will be automatic with, again, same as the above part, 80%. Here we will not write any text, but we will write a hint, and hint is enter song title. The name of this box will be txt song, so that we can remember while coding. Now we have placed two text boxes here. And now it's time to put some action button here. So you can see we have put label JSON here, label lyrics here, and just below this or above this we can put a text button. So this is going to be a text button, and it is going to have button, and the text on button is text for button 1. So we can change it to something like find lyrics or submit or whatever you want to place here. So you can find lyrics here. The text color is by default this black color, and shape is default. You can make the shape a little bit rounded here. And next thing is okay, this is done. You just have to change the name of this text button. So we will name it as BTN sub. This is our submit button, BTN sub. So now we have created the UI here, and you can build this application. So you can build this application. You can provide APK here. So if you are using any emulator in your computer, so you can build this app here, and you can install the application in that emulator. There are many emulators that you can download. For example, BlueStacks is there and LD Player is there. So I will place the link of an emulator in the description, which you can download. And also you can build it here. And if you have a QR code scanner, so let me just wait. So in the meantime it is building this. You can go to your Google Play Store using your Android device, and you can type MIT App Inventor. So you will see MIT AI2 companion. So you can install this application and you can open it. So it is going to show you connect with code or scan QR code. Process here is finished. So you can see this QR code. Now what I am going to do is you can click on scan with QR code, and now you will see once the scan with QR code is done. So this URL is typed here. You can open with your favorite browser, and the application will start to download. Click on download, and we'll use the package installer. Install it. App is installed. Open, and now you can see, let's type something here. So you can see it is not going to do anything here right now, not going to show anything right now if you will click on find lyrics, because we have not created the programming for connecting it to the web source and then fetching data. But this is a simple UI part, and this is the accent color, right? So the color that you are seeing here, this is the accent color. You can change it to anything in the settings part. So you can go to the screen one and you can change it. So this is the first part of our video series. Go ahead and create your UI, and once you are done with creating the UI, you can come back later to the next part where you will learn how to do some block based programming here. So this is a very simple drag and drop based programming thing here. If you will click on txt song, so there are the various things that you can do with txt song. Got focus, lost focus was enabled, we can set it to disabled. You can do various things. So this is a very interesting way of programming applications, which you will learn something in the next part.